Today I'm going to be teaching how you can extract a signature in CorelDRAW. Like you can make this signature plain and you can use it on anything. So to do that, first of all, we are going to go to bitmaps and then we'll come to mode, then black and white. Bitmaps mode and black and white. So click on black and white. It's going to open this interface. Make sure the conversion mode is on line art. If you look at this, it's not on line art. Make sure it's on, sorry, it's online out already. It can be on something else, this or any other thing, but make sure it's you can see that anyone you set it to is going to have a different effect. So just make sure you keep it online art. Now, in the picture I had there, you couldn't see all this, but you can see it here because the picture was cropped. It's actually a picture just taken with the signature and sent to me. So now we are going to reduce the threshold of the line art because as you can see everywhere is just dark. See that? So we're going to reduce it until we have something clear enough. If you can just reduce it to this, but you see that it won't appear much, so thin, and we don't need something that thin. We want something coming out well. Is that okay? Okay, let's add it again. So you just keep adding it till you feel something is thick enough for what you want. I think this here will give us what we want. Not here. Yes, this will give us what we want. You need to take notes so that when you finish, there are no unnecessary dots everywhere. So now we're going to hit on OK, and you can see this. You can see that it has converted, and now this is it. So this was on white, so that is PNG. No, 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 it's not PNG. See it here. So if you want to make this PNG, you just click here. You can see that. Let me do Control Undo. You can use here if you don't have this on your CorelDRAW. You can come here and you always here, and you can see that now it is PNG. Now, of course, you can change the color to any color of your choice. How can you do that? Just come to your colors and right click on any color you want to change it to. So you can see right click on that and see the color. You can see right click on this, right click on this. Any color you want to change it to, you just all you just have to do is just right click on that color and you are going to have what you wanted. So this is how you can extract a signature in CorelDRAW.